Hey guys, Shakarov here. So today we are June 13th, 2012. Is the release date of Panini Titanium Hockey. I bought 2 boxes and I got some help right there that doesn't want to be seen as usual. That's the way it is. So let's open this bad boy. 5 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. I think we should have a hit in every pack. Didn't see much broken yet, but I have seen a case so far. So let's see how it rolls. 1 pack there, 1 pack here. So a few interesting facts with this. The rookies are actually numbered to their jersey number, which is pretty cool. So you can get a few very low printed rookies. I think Mikko Koskinen is a 1 of 1 because he's numbered 1. We'll start with game worn gear of Tyler Kennedy. This is like the basic stuff. And here we have another game worn gear of Calvin DeHaan, rookie for the Islanders. I have something thick here, which is a good sign, I think, hopefully. It's a very thick decoy, very nice. Darn it. But I got private signings of Brendan Sutter. And on this side we have, very nice. We have a hat trick, so triple jersey, numbered out of 199 of Zach Boychuk, Jamie McBain, and Justin Falk. Go. 1 pack left. Gives us a parallel out of 99 of Logan Couture. And the thick card with a good name on it. Very, very nice. Game worn gear, jersey prime and autograph, numbered 17 of 50, Jordan Eberle. Not bad at all. Good. Not a bad start. Let's go for box number 2. We can see your legs. Legs. There we go, box number 2. Here I have game worn gear again of Ryan Kessler. Is it good? It is good?
I think so, yeah. 2.
She thinks it is good. Oh, so 2 hits. Got a rookie numbered 30 out of 35. Pretty short print. Keith Kincaid. Oh, they're thick. And we also have a game worn gear patch, numbered 7 of 25 of TJ Gagliardi.
Correct.
Très correct.
Okay.
Very good pack.
Le patch était beau.
Ouais. I have a dual game worn gear, numbered out of 300, of Erik Karlsson and Nick Foligno for the Ottawa Senators. And the regular game worn gear of Nick Spalling. And very last pack, very thick, probably a decoy, hopefully not, but it looks like a decoy. Gives us a new wave autograph, still for the Nashville Predators, which is a little bit sad, but anyway, a new wave autograph of Blake Joffrey. He's been a Habs for long enough. I thought that would have been a Habs hit. Anyway, that being said, that was 2 solid boxes there. A rookie out of 35, an Eberle, prime and auto, Gagliardi patch. Very, very, very nice products. Triple jersey, think that was good. That was solid. That's it. Done for today. Don't know if I'll bust more of this. There are a bunch of case breaks on Klutz and Shara tonight. KlutzandShara.com. They're actually live on Blog TV right now. So KlutzandShara.com or blogtv.com/people/KlutzandShara. Take care. See you later, and I'll go eat. Bye.